Hello guys, I'm Shreya Gupta. Nice to meet you. It's morning over here. I don't know the time. Let me see. क्या टाइम हुआ है? हाँ 8:30 बज गए हैं. It's 8:30 right now. I'm going to make tea. Welcome back to my channel again, guys. Grace with Shreya. I'm not in a mood to be super excited because I just woke up. I have to tell this thing. I'm not making any kind of visuals in this in my whole video because I want to keep it more professional. Okay, that's my style, to keep it more professional, raw and authentic, rather than being to completely visual and totally aesthetic. My aesthetic is just me and my surroundings where I like the ambience near me. That's all. I mean, just look at the Asian houses, how they are and how they work. Literally at 7:30 a.m. I went to drive just for fun. Don't ask me. So before क्या बोलते हैं उसको, before knowing further what I'm going to do the thing, just like, subscribe and press the bell icon and do leave some comment section. I know you are all excited what I am doing in the kitchen. माता के लिए चाय बना रहे हैं, सो रही हैं. So there's nothing special. I'm just making tea for my mother, but that's all. To those who are not from India, take a look and have what kind of Indian tea I will make. Disaster. यार कुछ किसी में बनाने के लिए नहीं है, घंटा बनाएंगे क्या चाय? ये भी खराब पड़ा हुआ, सब बर्तन तो धुलने में पड़े हैं, हम क्या किसमें बनाएंगे चाय? ये क्या है? हाँ सही है. And if any Indian says this is not how we make tea, चप्पल मारेंगे तुम्हारे मुंह पे. मुझसे ओपिनियन नहीं पूछा है तो मुंह बंद रखना अपना, ये भी याद कर लीजिए. I think after a few days BTS will come and there will be a big, oh my god, BTS is there. I mean, I'm also excited because the first song that I have heard of them was Boy With Love. I mean, that was my first time knowing a song from different, क्या बोलते हैं ये ज़्यादा ली क्या चाय? I mean, from different country and it's in different language obviously. So I mean, I was quite intrigued by it. So there's nothing one special key moment. I mean, don't ask me for a special key moment. There are plenty of them. Actually, I was literally amazed by this one fact, that there is this story. I mean, mythology is there, or is it in history somewhere in the pages of Tamil history or South Indian history or South Korea's history. I don't know. I mean, there was one such thing. There was a princess in India. It was said that a pandit told her that she should go overseas and move, and when she sees the lamp, the man right in front of the lamp जो उसको पहले देखता है, जो बंदा उसको सामने मिलता है, वो उसका होने वाला पति होगा. That will be her husband. That will be the king and he will be the husband. And in South Korea, I think it was said that when you woke up and when you see the girl right in front of you, that will be your bride. So something like that. Okay? And so the girl, I don't know her name, she went overseas. She landed on South Korea and the first person she met was the South Korea's king. Okay, and as she was told, she has to marry that king, and the same goes for the king. The first girl that he saw near the coast was her queen. So they married, and yeah, that's the whole story. It is said that all the Kims in South Korea are Indians. So Kim Tae-hyun and Kim Namjoon, Kim Seok-jin, welcome back to India. Just kidding. I think it's just a mythology. That is the thing that I actually get into it. I mean, I was like, wow, what kind of story it is. I was astonished after listening to this story. I was like, if this is the truth, then I was literally piqued by it. I was literally intrigued by it. Intrigued बोलते हैं ना, हाँ, intrigued by it. Sorry, intrigued by it. Grammatical error. Don't listen to that thing. I will cut that thing. Okay. Yeah. अरे अम्मा यार. I will make this video short because I have seen that 2,800 people and 1,000 plus key influencers, teachers have to, synonyms have to check the videos and all, and they have to grade the marks. So I will make this very short. जब तक चाय बनती तब तक खाली वीडियो बनेंगी, इसके आगे पीछे अपन कुछ नहीं करेगा. दूसरा आइडिया लगी क्या? हाँ, अब सही ना. अब हम लग रहे ना झकास, ग्लो ग्लो ग्लो. मतलब मैंने after that I started listening to BTS songs. As a music lover, I was intrigued by their meanings. I was intrigued by their lyrics, their visual appeal and all. चाय की तो स्मेल आ नहीं रही है. भाई तड़का बढ़िया, तड़का क्या मस्त बन जाएगी. अरे कुटनी अदरक चाहिए है इसके अंदर. ही सी ginger. We'll add some ginger over there. मम्मा चीनी तो लेती नहीं है. हाँ, so I've not actually sugar. Mama, if she will drink this tea, I will drink not Assam tea. Where was that Chinese tea? Breakfast tea was it? English breakfast tea. I think you can see it or not. It is written English breakfast tea and something in Chinese, simple Chinese, I guess. Chinese. If some Chinese people are watching this, please tell me. I will click a picture and I will show it. Okay. I will drink this one. Oh, देखो उबल रही है. So after knowing this all, I mean the history, okay, and after knowing this, especially this mythology, and then listening to music, I was quite in my interest in Korea, it went wild because I like mythologies related to my culture also. So that was the whole reason. And second reason was listening to the first K-pop song ever, that was Gangnam Style. Although I've listened to Gangnam Style plenty of times, but that song Boy With Love, it actually piqued my interest. Abbe, हाँ, so that really piqued my interest in K-pop songs. And since I'm a musician, I feel that thing. I feel a sensation. So yeah, it was so bubbly song. After that, I wanted to also become a K-pop idol. I know it's funny, but honestly, I really wanted to become. But some dreams doesn't come true. Actually, you have to get into reality. That everything that you see in front of it, you cannot have it. In short, my first key moment was knowing the mythology of this South Korea and South India, and at the same time was listening to BTS first song Boy With Love in 2019. I know the exact year, but I don't know the exact date. On VH1 channel, I saw when the music was there. I saw the artist. Now, what artist was BTS? And I know BTS because of my classmates. That was the whole thing. If I say special thing that I've known, that was the whole mythology, because I love mythology. I love to know the hidden deep secrets. So yeah, so that was the thing. After that, I started learning Hangul when my father never supported me at first. So there was this app Temple where you have to give auditions and get these special points. I collected 4,000 special points just to learn the basics. And in 1 hour, the Korean teacher, she taught me the basics. And yes, I can read and write in Korean very easily. And I literally studied 4 times from 4 different sources. The next source was from, I think, the free course of Yonsei University, the first step Korean. So I learned from there also 2 times, and for some time I learned by myself. I'm a quick learner actually, by the way. I don't need anyone. I can learn if someone tells me the right direction. चाय बनी कि नहीं बनी? अरे ऊपर की खोल गई, देखो खोल, it's spoiled, it's all done. See, aroma. When this kind of cream comes up now, it means your tea is ready. This is the morning tea of daily Indian. अरे यार किस में डाले? Cups are not over here. Very few are over here because everything is over there. अभी काम वाली आएगी ना, उसी से करवाएंगे. सरों का कौन सा ले? ये ले ले. हाँ, ये क्यों छन्नी तो अंदर पड़ी हुई है, तो यही वाला तो लेना पड़ेगा. मुझे नहीं पता, हम डांट खाएंगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा मेरा. Guys, I'll just hold a minute. Wait a minute. We have it. I told you. Big step. अब बच्ची कुछ चाय तो मुझको ही पीनी पड़ेगी. ओए फोन गिरा. इधर ही रहो बेटा. हाँ, इसमें चीनी डाल के हम पियेंगे बैठ के. ज़्यादा महंगी चाय मुझसे. हम चीनी डाल देते हैं. We'll add some sugar. It's sugar, not sugar. So don't think that, okay? Sugar. Yes. धीरे धीरे तुम खोलो, तब तक माते को चाय बन जाता है. This is how an Indian tea looks. Guys, I'm almost done with the tea. So, गुस्सा आ रही है मुझे. I'm almost done with the tea. It means I'm almost done with my video also. So before you go, I will say it again. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for more updates. Okay. And also do follow Voice of Shreya. That's my official account of Instagram actually. Okay. Don't forget. See ya.